Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Dhara Skincare. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to review Olivia Pan Stick Foundation, which is one of my favorite. Please do watch the full video for detailed information. My shade is 05 Touch and Glow. Coming to the product, it is instant waterproof makeup stick with SPF 12. The net content is 15 grams. MRP is 150 and I bought it for around 135 from purple.com. It was packed on 0720 and its expiry date is 0623. So the product is going to last for 3 years. Okay, what it claims: instant waterproof foundation with sunscreen for all skin types. By giving a smooth and uniform coverage on your skin, it gives a youthful and radiant look all the day long. Blocks harmful UV rays. It is waterproof, sweat proof, having inbuilt moisturizer. So it has inbuilt moisturizer. It claims that it conceals dark spots and comes in 11 skin matching shades. Okay, the method of application is also given. Dab on the face and spread evenly until uniform. For effective removal, use Olivia cleansing milk. So this is just what is given on the product. So let's open the product. Okay, it comes with a plastic twist up rose gold colored stick packing. You can see, and when I open this, so here an arrow is mentioned, so you need to twist it. You can see the product. It smells really nice. So this much product you get. It's a 15 gram. So this also comes with instructional manual, a leaflet where directions for use are mentioned clearly. Now coming to the which skin tone it suits. Shade number 5 Touch and Glow is for medium to fair skin tone. Actually, when you go to purchase online, the problem is you'll get confused with the shades. You'll not be able to choose the right shade for you. So it's better to purchase it from the market, from the store, or because you can check and use them, right? Which is this correct tone. You can apply it, check it, and then purchase it. But what happens is the same thing happened with me. I have another shade here that is Natural Rose. So first when I saw this, I thought this is my shade, but no, it's not my shade. Then I had to reorder this for me, that is Natural Glow. So I'll show you. I'll compare it and show you. You'll be able to see, right? This is of yellow undertone and this is of pink undertone. First I thought this is my skin type, so I recommend you to go to the store and purchase it. Once you get to know which is your skin tone, when you get familiar that which is your skin tone, then you can easily purchase online. But the main problem with this Olivia stick is it is not available offline. It is available only online. Okay, coming to the consistency, it is creamy consistency. You can check out, it's creamy. And you get a buttery feeling when you apply it on your face. So it stays up to 12 hours. Coming to the fragrance, it has a mild fragrance actually, which is kind of good. It's pleasant. So it blends very easily. I know this is not the right shade for my hands, but still I'm just showing you. It blends very easily. It blends very well. It blends very well. It claims to be 3-in-1 product which acts as a foundation, perfect base and concealer. I have used it as a foundation. Yes, it did blend easily and provided a shine-free look and gave me good coverage, but it doesn't hide small spots and blemishes. It remains intact under water and is waterproof and sweat proof to an extent. As it also has SPF 12 in it. It protects our skin from sun damage. So it stays for up to 12 hours. What are the pros of it? It is affordable and travel friendly. Comes in 12 shades, so it's very good. It comes in 12 shades. You can choose the right shade for you. It's a good option. Then it glides smoothly and provides light to medium coverage. It can be used as a foundation or a base. It remains intact under water. What are the cons are? It is very difficult finding offline. It tends to crease when it is built. It doesn't work as a concealer. So my final thoughts are Olivia Instant Waterproof Makeup Stick with SPF 12 is most budget friendly makeup stick in the market, which can be used as a base or a foundation. Does have an artificial makeup fragrance too, which glides easily and gives good coverage. Thanks for watching guys, and hit a like button if you like my video.